Parts of a compound microscope.
We will be discussing the parts of a compound like microscope. Ito yung picture ng compound microscope. Meron siyang three basic parts or division ng mga parts na ito. First is the magnifying parts. Ito yung mga parts na may lens na nagmamagnify ng image ng object. Merong two parts under this. And those are, number one is the ocular or eyepiece. It is where you look at. It has lens that can magnify the image 10 to 15 times. Ito yung part kung saan tayo titingin para makita yung image ng object na pinag-aaralan natin. May lens ito na kayang i-magnify ang image ng 10 to 15 times. Halimbawa, yung object na tinitingnan mo sa microscope ay kasing laki ng red circle na ito. Pag sinabi natin 10 times na na-magnify, yung red circle na iyan, dagdagan natin ng 9 circles sa same size niya. Pagdikit-dikitin at ganun yung size ng image na makikita natin. Kaya, kung ito yung size ng object na tinitingnan natin sa microscope, yung image na makikita natin will be like this. Ganito siya kalaki. And this is what we call magnification, yung paglaki ng size ng image. Next part under the magnifying part is the objectives. As you can see, dito sa picture, merong 3 na itinuro ang arrow. May butas yan sa ilalim kung saan nakalagay ang lens. Hindi lang kita pero commonly, merong 4 objectives ang isang compound microscope. Bawat objective ay may magkakaibang magnification power. Merong LPO or low power objectives with magnification power na 10x. HPO naman or high power objective has 40 times magnification. Yung scanning power objective or SPO ay 4 times. Ito yung shortest or pinakamaikling objective. And lastly, ay oil immersion objective or OIO na para magamit, dapat lagyan mo muna ng oil yung objective na ito at yung specimen. Ang ginagamit dito ay yung cedarwood oil. This OIO ay may 100 times magnification power. So again, anong similarities meron ang ocular and objectives? Pareho silang merong lens na nagmamagnify o nagpapalaki ng size ng image ng object under study. Aside from magnifying parts, we also have the illuminating or optical parts. These parts are those that provide and control the amount of light for us to see the image clearly. Ito yung mga parts na nagbibigay ng light na kailangan at nagko-control sa amount of light para mas malinaw nating makita yung image ng object. May 2 parts din under this at iyon ay ang first, the iris diaphragm. It regulates the amount of light. Ito ay nasa ilalim ng stage. Meron siyang condenser na pwede mong i-open o i-close para makontrol yung light na aakyat sa object. Kasi kapag sobrang liwanag, wala ka ring makikita. Sasakit lang yung mata mo. Same with kapag kulang ng light. Wala ka ring makikita. So dapat, tama lang yung amount of light. Next is the mirror. This reflects light from the source to the stage where the object studied is located. Let's say yung yellow arrow dito ay yung light from the source. Na kapag ang light ay tumama sa mirror, i-reflect niya papunta sa stage kung saan nandun yung object na gusto mong pag-aralan. Dito sa picture, makikita natin na may dalawang klase ng compound light microscope. Yung una, ang light source niya ay ang projector lens. Ito ay di kuryente kaya meron siyang switch at cord papunta sa plug or outlet. So second picture naman is mirror o light reflector yung ginagamit niya. Another part ng microscope is the mechanical parts. Mechanical parts are those na for support or movement o yung mga parts na ginagalaw natin at hinahawakan natin para ma-maximize yung other parts ng microscope. Maraming parts under this and those are Number 1, the draw tube. Draw tube holds the eyepiece. Ito yung part kung saan nilalagay yung eyepiece. Kapag wala ang draw tube, wala tayong paglalagyan ng eyepiece or ocular. Number 2, coarse adjustment knob or coarse focus. It lowers or raises the body tube for focusing. Kung titingnan natin yung picture, siya ay hugis bilog and tornilyo siya na naiikot. Pag inikot natin ang coarse focus, yung body tube na nasa baba ng draw tube kasama yung mga objectives ay pwede nating maitaas o maibaba, palapit o palayo sa object na tinitingnan natin sa microscope. Number 3, fine adjustment knob or fine focus. Ito naman, slightly move the body to sharpen the image. Same with coarse focus, mapapataas o mapabababa natin yung body tube palapit o palayo sa object. Pero sa fine focus, yung movement niya is very minimal lang or minsan, hindi mo mararamdaman na gumagalaw pala siya. Number 4, arm. It is where you hold the microscope for transport. Kapag pinabuhat o pinadala sa inyo yung microscope, huwag niyong hawakan sa eyepiece kasi malalaglag yung ibang parts. Huwag din naman hawakan ng pabaliktad. Sa arm natin ihahawak ang dominant hand natin. Aside sa arm, pag pinabuhat sa iyo yung microscope, hahawakan mo rin dapat sa base. Base serves as the foot of the microscope. Ito yung pinakapaa ng microscope para hindi siya matumba. Number 6, inclination joint. It connects the base and arm. It is used to tilt the microscope. Siya yung kumukonek sa arm and base. Ito rin yung part responsible para maitilt o maitagilid yung arm and the other parts of microscope para mas makapag-collect ng light yung mirror. Number 7, stage. It is where the object that you want to study is placed. Dito natin ilalagay yung glass slide na pinaglalagyan ng object na titingnan mo under the microscope. So stage, merong stage clip kung saan iipit natin yung slide para hindi mahulog yung specimen. Sa bandang taas ng objective, nandun ang revolving nose piece. This can be rotated to change objective. Ito yung part na iikutin mo to change the objective. Halimbawa, gusto mong gamitin ng LPO, pero HPO yung nakatapat sa stage. Iikutin mo yung revolving nose piece hanggang sa may marinig kang click sound. Pag nag-click na, ibig sabihin nakatapat na sa stage yung objective na gagamitin mo. And for the last part is the body tube. It connects the draw tube and revolving nose piece. Ito din yung nag-move up and down kapag inikot natin yung coarse or fine adjustment knob para makapag-focus sa specimen. So, sa next part ng inyong Module 1, which is part pa rin ng Activity 1, yung nasa page 6 nakalagay dyan, complete the table below. Refer to the figure 4 na picture ng microscope with its part na nasa page 5. And answer the general descriptions and get hints to the function of any given part of the microscope. Sa description, ilalagay mo yung position, appearance, and form ng part na tinutukoy. Sa function naman, ilalagay yung gamit ng part na yon. Halimbawa, number 1 sa objective, ilalagay mo yung description. At sa 2 naman, ilalagay yung function ng objective. Yung number 3, binigay na yung description ng nose piece. Kaya, ang ibibigay mo na lang is yung function ng nose piece. Sa part na ito, may 1 to 9 kayo na sasagutan. Sa baba naman ng page 6, merong summary. Fill in the blanks naman to create a meaningful summary of concepts learned from the activity. Basahin nyo yung statement dito and hanapin nyo yung mga words na kukumpleto sa statement. Sa page 8 naman, Activity 3. Ang title is Museum of Microscope. Nakalagay dito yung mga pictures ng mga sinaunang microscope. Ito ay yung mga panahon na wala pang SEM or TEM. Ito yung mga microscope na meron sila. Sabi sa procedure, The illustration below are different microscopes designed over time, from the earliest identified compound microscope to the microscope that uses ultraviolet light for better resolution. Study the illustrations below and match it with the description tags. Write the description on the space provided below. Ang gagawin nyo is yung mga pictures na may nakalagay na date, hahanapin nyo sa next page yung description tag na nangyari nung year na iyon. So, sa inyong answer sheet, ilalagay nyo yung year. For example, yung 1595. Tapos sa next page, hahanapin nyo yung description tag or yung nangyari at na-discover yung year na iyon. Ang clue natin dito is yung year na ibinigay. Halimbawa, 1595, sa description tag, merong nakalagay na, as most scholars would agree, the first compound microscope was built by Zacharias Janssen and probably with the help of his father Hans in the year 1595. Since ito yung tag for 1595, ito yung isusulat nyo sa part for that year. May 6 na sasagutan kayo for this activity and then answer the questions that follow. Sa A, ang tanong is, using the activity done as a reference, who are the people behind every design of microscope from earliest to the microscope that uses ultraviolet rays? So, sino-sino yung mga taong may kinalaman sa pagkakaroon ng iba't ibang designs ng microscope mula sa pinakauna hanggang sa microscope na gumagamit ng ultraviolet rays? Letter B. What is the contribution of Ernest Abbe in the development of the microscope? Ano yung ginawa na i-contribute niya sa development ng microscope? Letter C. From the earliest to the UV microscope, what are the notable improvements in each design of the microscope? Ano naman ang napansin mong improvement o pagbabago sa mga designs ng microscope mula sa pinakauna hanggang sa microscope na gumagamit ng UV rays? After this activity, sagutan nyo na yung check your understanding, post-test, and reflection.
If you have questions regarding this video, leave your comment below or contact your teacher right away. Thank you.